Looking for the best movers near you in Varnell, Georgia? 3 Movers delivers professional, reliable moving services tailored to your needs, whether you're relocating locally or across the country. Varnell's small-town charm deserves a moving company that treats your belongings with care. At 3 Movers, we offer friendly and efficient service to ensure your move is smooth and stress-free. Our local moving experts in Varnell offer packing, unpacking, and careful handling of your belongings. We serve both residential and commercial clients, ensuring minimal disruption and maximum convenience. Our pricing is transparent and competitive. Whether you're moving a 2-bedroom home or a larger one, 3 Movers offers free, customized quotes so you know exactly what to expect. For example, prices vary by home size and distance. Contact us for your personalized estimate. Ready for a hassle-free move in Varnell, Georgia? Contact 3 Movers today for your free, no-obligation moving quote. Let us make your next move the best one yet.